F major. F major is at -1 o'clock on the circle of fifths. So the key signature is going to contain one flat. To work out which flat that is, we're going to use the reverse version of the Father Charles sentence, which is battle ends and down goes Charles's father. So we're interested in the first word, battle, which begins with a B, telling us that our one flat in the key signature is going to be B flat. So looking at the left hand first, laid out the notes from F to F, and we're going to change the B's to B flats. I've put the black counters on the F's and C's, and these will generally be played by the thumb unless it's the starting note, where it obviously makes much more sense to start with the fifth finger. The groups of 3 purple tokens are to represent fingers 4, 3 and 2, and the 2 orange are for fingers 3 and 2. So it's not necessarily a bad idea to practice it like that with the groups as actual chords, to show yourself the patterns in the scale, and then to play them as chords but slightly separated. At which point it's sort of sounding almost like a scale if you just separate those chords out. Then you'll find you have an actual scale. Same process in the right hand, flatten the B's. So the black tokens will be played with the thumb unless it's at the top where it makes sense to turn around with the fourth finger. 2, 3 and 4 on the purple areas, and 3 and 2 on the oranges. And then think of them as the same groups, with the purple notes all together and the orange notes all together, but just slightly separate them. And then separate them out with more precision so that they sound evenly spaced. It's actually much easier to play a scale when you're not trying to dislodge coloured counters, but there you go. Let's look at that, both hands together. So the thumbs will generally meet on the F's and C's, and when we have the purple tokens, one hand will be playing 2, 3, 4, and the other one will be 4, 3, 2. And in the orange areas, 3 and 2 in one hand, 2 and 3 in the other. Thinking them exactly the same way but separating them out. I'm going to see if I can still remember those groupings without the aid of the colours. Etc. Now to ask for the sounds to be spaced out so they form a smooth scale.